Welcome back! One thing about BusyKid is that they are not short on ideas to make our user experience better and better. Today I'm going to tell you about a feature called BusyPay. BusyPay is an easy way for families or friends to instantly send money to a child's BusyKid account. It's done by sharing a QR code that directs the funds to your kiddo's spend, save, and share allocations. Some reasons you might use this include gifting your kiddo for special occasions or paying them for work done in the neighborhood. This might include mowing lawns or shoveling driveways or whatever kids do where you live. Siblings might also use BusyKid to pay one another. Let's take a look at how this feature works. First, from the child's dashboard, tap BusyPay. The child's dashboard displays a unique QR code. From there, anyone can scan the QR code if they're with you. If they're not with you, the QR code can be shared by tapping the Upload button to get options for sharing the code. When the QR code is scanned, it opens an interface that allows them to send money to your child using a credit or debit card. The gifter just indicates the dollar amount, their name and email address, and the card number that the funds are coming from. They also have an option to add a message like "Congrats, Grad" or "Thanks for babysitting." They tap Continue, and a screen displays letting them know that there is a fee associated with the transaction. When they're ready, they tap Send Money, and a success message displays letting them know the BusyPay deposit worked. Tap OK and exit the screen. Almost instantly, the money is sent to the spend, save, and share allocations according to how you've set up their allocations. Your kiddo can confirm the funds are there just seconds later. They can even check their history if they're not sure if the funds went through. Now remember, you can always take a photo of the QR code and send it email or text so that other people can access it from their device. This way, family far away can still have access to using BusyPay to benefit your child. I checked with BusyKid, and they tell me it accepts all credit cards, including Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express, which really widens the field of possibilities. I can see my family using this a lot, and my kids will probably use this to sell their stuff at a garage sale. That way they can keep their money separate from mine and probably get more sales because they can accept credit cards. Well, that's it. Using the BusyPay feature in the BusyKid app. Leave a comment below and tell me how you think your family will use this feature. And thanks for joining me at Simple Success, where we help you raise financially competent kids.